Hi guys. Okay, sorry. Hi guys. So it's been a while. I'm sorry. It's been a while. Life. But that I'm just gonna leave it at that. Life. Yeah. But it feels really good to be back. I'm really excited. For today's video, I decided I'm not feeling 100% comfortable attempting a character right away. It's been a while, so I took some reference and inspiration from Jordan Hans, who's one of my main followers. These contacts are going to be main followers. I wish you followed me. One of my main people I follow. You know what I'm trying to say. Okay, this is bothering me. Okay, I'm good. So yeah, she did this like infected butterfly look, which I believe she was inspired, if I remember the tutorial correctly, by Destiny, who I also follow and I like, and I've been trying to do a butterfly look forever. So mine is not gonna be exactly like hers. Like, I don't necessarily think mine is gonna be infected per se. Changing up the colors for sure, and I think I'm going more for like a butterfly queen or empress kind of vibe. So yeah, I'm so glad to be here again. Thanks for watching. Hi, my name is Ellie and I am an artist, a makeup artist also. And if you are here watching my video, first of all, thank you so much. Second of all, I'm really awkward. Third of all, I fangirl a lot. Fourth of all, please remember to be kind and also to love yourself. And if I have made you smile at all at any point in this video, then my job here is done. Have a fantastic day. Did I say that weird? Yeah, probably. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and you can follow me and all my other fancy stuff. Okay, I'm done. So to start, I'm going to be prepping my skin with the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, Rose Water Mist. I just got this. I have no idea what it's gonna spray like or do anything, but I saw it, thought I'll try it. Here it goes. Oh wait, it's not spraying. Okay. Oh my god, that's like a... That's not a mist, that's a... Okay, it is a mist. Woo. Oh, that smells really nice. I'm going to prime my face with the Tarte Poreless Primer. So next I'm just going to take like a jumbo black pencil. This is the LA Girl Pro Primer. I'm just going to kind of mark down where I want the wings of the butterfly on my chest to go, and any kind of face paint to block out that area before I do my beauty makeup. So I'm going to put on some foundation on my face. This is the Tarte Sea Rainforest of the Sea water foundation in the shade Light Medium Sand. And I'm going to take a big stapling brush. It's kind of flat, very dense, just to press the foundation in and make sure it's a heavy look. Oh god, this is white. Okay, so now that that's on, I'm going to start with the eyes. It's going to be a very heavy orangey, black and yellow smoky look. So I probably shouldn't have done my foundation first, because now everything is going to carry over to my face, but you know, I'll fix it. The NYX eyeshadow primer. So I'm using eyeshadows from my Dare to Create Morphe palette, more on the warm tones. First eyeshadow that I'm going to place all over is this one over here. Okay, I'm going to take that same black pencil I used to draw myself, just to create a very dark base, and then I'll put pat black eyeshadow over it. The black eyeshadow I'm using, it's from Urban Decay and it's called Blackout. And with a smaller crease blending brush, the M433, I'm gonna grab a really warm orangey red from the Dare to Create palette, and I'm gonna blend that black into the crease with the orange. So after applying black eyeliner on my waterline, I am just grabbing a flat liner brush. This is the Empress from Morphe, and I'm just grabbing the same black eyeshadow and getting really close to the lash line. So I'm gonna grab the Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy and apply that all over my lip. Lashes are on. Ow! I'm gonna grab my concealer from my Makeup Forever concealer palette. And these are really good, but you have to warm them up. They are way too thick to apply directly onto the skin right away. So warm them up on your hand with the heat of your body heat. I don't know what I'm saying. Grab my favorite blending brush, which is from Real Techniques. It's called a satin brush, but it's really fluffy. Last time to paint, I use my favorite paint ever, the Marin Paradise AQ paints. They come like this. All they need is a little bit of water and they are ready to use. And for these kind of applications, I use a flat foundation brush like this. Celebrate. Okay, so now to patch up some of these streaks that happen with the water paint, I'm going to grab cream paints from the Crayola Super Color palette. And I'm going to grab the yellow, maybe some cream as well, just to blend everything in. And cream paints blend really nicely over water activated paints. It just helps set everything. Why am I getting hungry? Time to my favorite part, outlining in black. Boy, yeah. Get ready. Good job. how does that even... What? With some white body paint, I'm going to add the white dots at the end of the monarch's wings. Monarch butterfly wings. Yay! Look at it, like, I love when you do little details and it just completes the whole thing. So I'm going to take some warm shades from the same Glitter Grade palette from Morphe that I have deposited, and contour myself on the face first, powder, and then I'll start shading in with some deep reds on some of these. Angled brush and this red from the Glitter Grade palette right here, and just, yeah, darken that up a bit. Time to dirty it up with one of these sponges. So basically I'm just applying with a brush some paint on it, black paint, with water so that it's not too opaque and not too thick, and then sparingly putting that just in certain areas. Grabbing some white paint and outlining some of the insides of the wings according to my picture. Kat Von D's Outlaw. Can't go wrong. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed, and please remember to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. and yeah, hopefully it's not too long again until you see my next video. Thank you. Bye.